Shut the hell up. No one cares about you. Oh yeah, you got the sex appealing song. My name's Rachel, just so you know.
Already stop moving.
Ah. Side, side to side. You have to have your canter before you turn the corner. Good girls. Ronnie. They turned, I think. Oh, sorry, I kind of cut out the poles. The poles kind of got cut off.
Ronnie keeps moving.
Good girl. Where are you? There you are.